Want to run your own print-on-demand store but have no idea where to start? You've come to the right place. Hey, I'm Michael from Printful. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of starting your business with Printful. First things first, you might be wondering, what is Printful and how will it help me start my business? Printful is an on-demand printing and dropshipping company that takes care of fulfilling your orders and ships them out to your customers. With Printful, you'll have access to a wide range of products and different techniques from printed apparel to embroidery to engraved jewelry. Just create a store on an e-commerce platform, link it to your Printful account, and you'll be able to focus on the fun parts of doing business. We'll do the rest. So let's get started with our step-by-step guide. The first step is easy. If you don't have a Printful account, you need to create one. So just go to our page, click sign up, and fill in your info. It's quick and completely free. Find your business niche. Before you move on to store and product setup, you should have a good understanding of your business idea and your target audience. You know the old saying, when you're selling to everyone, you're selling to no one. So think about your business niche, a smaller section of a broader market where your product will stand out. Here are two examples of brands that partner with Printful. This is Catherine, co-founder of Muhov.
Muhov is an Estonian clothing brand that lets you show off your love for your hood or your neighborhood or your city. The concept is quite simple. You can have whatever your favorite place name is printed on in front of the sweatshirt. So Muhov literally translates to my backyard. It's very similar to my hood, but it's just a more local Estonian way of saying that.
And this is Joe, owner of PAL Campaign. His store focuses on Catholic t-shirts. Here's what he has to say about finding your business niche.
I think it's really important for new owners to find a specific niche that they're a part of or that they're really passionate about to be successful within Printful or any business for that matter. Instead of doing something like streetwear, because there are many companies that are doing streetwear and really doing it well. Maybe it's streetwear for people in a city that you love. So like finding a specific tribe, a loyal tribe, and whatever it is, whether it's people who like baseball or Christian t-shirts or like cats. I think if you really target that, there's a genuine authenticity to what you're bringing to the table. It's just gonna make the process a whole lot easier. Once I stopped the store and then restarted it with Printful, I was able to not worry about inventory and shipping myself.
Think about the communities that you're a part of. You'll find your target audience there. We have great resources on this subject. I'll link a couple below. So you have your Printful account and you know your target audience. The next step is to create your first product template. A product template is a Printful product with your added design, like a ready-made item that you can then quickly add to your store and sell. Go to your Printful dashboard and in the side menu, choose the Product Templates tab. Click on Create Your First Product Template and pick the product you want to sell. Now you can start designing. You can use the design software and upload your designs on Printful. Just remember to follow the print file guidelines prepared by our graphic specialists. You can find them in the File Guidelines tab under every product. I'll also link some resources on design preparation in the description below. Or you can use our free design maker where you'll be able to experiment with over 50 clip art collections made up of more than 3,000 customizable design elements. Are you looking for cute balloon animals? Got them. Or elaborate classical sculptures? Here they are. You want it? We've got it. Once you're done with designing, click Save Product Templates. This is the final product you can now add to your store and sell. You can always access or edit your design for each product in the Product Templates tab. If you don't have an online store, you'll need to create one to start selling with us. You can set up your store on an e-commerce platform or an online marketplace. With your Printful account, you have a lot of options to choose from. If you're a little confused about where to start building your online store, then head to our integrations page and find information about setup times, prices, and other things you should take into account. You can also try our quiz. It'll help you understand which option is best suited for your needs. After you've created your store, you'll need to connect it to your Printful account. The process to connect your store to Printful is different based on the e-commerce platform you choose. You can follow our step-by-step video tutorials to get a head start. The next thing on your list is adding products to your store. Choose the Product Templates tab again. Pick the product template you want to add to your store and click Add to Store. Here, you can choose the color and sizes of products. add mockups, write your product description, and set your price. Once you're done with these steps, click Add to Store and voila, there it is. The process of adding products will differ platform to platform. To learn how to add products to your store on your chosen platform, go to our integrations page where you'll find a step-by-step video tutorials. Figuring out your product's pricing is a real balancing act between two prices, the Printful price and your retail price. The Printful price is what you pay us for product fulfillment. The retail price is what your customer will see and pay you. Now, you have to figure out how much profit you want to earn per product and add that on top of the product fulfillment price. Setting up your profit margin can be a tricky thing. If it's too high, you can't justify it and your customers won't buy your products. If your prices are too low, you may only cover the product's fulfillment cost, but you won't be able to cover extra costs that come with running a business. Remember to take into account things like taxes, e-commerce, platform fees, advertising, and so on. Have a look at our payment guide for more information. Another thing you need to set up is a payment method. Here's what happens when a customer buys from your store. Your customer pays you the retail price on your store's platform. You pay Printful for fulfillment, shipping, and relevant taxes. The payments are not linked with each other. When your customer places an order in your shop, Printful does not have access to the money your customer pays for the order. So two payments take place. One from your customer to you and the other from you to Printful. These payments happen simultaneously. This means that you need to set up two payment methods. First, a payment processor in your store that will ensure transactions between you and your customer. This can be by direct bank transfer, an online payment gateway, or anything else your platform supports. And second, you need a way to pay Printful for fulfillment for the orders you receive. You can manage your payment methods under the Billing tab in your Printful dashboard side menu. Choose Billing Methods, and there you can add your card or PayPal account to be charged automatically once an order is made, or you can choose to top up your balance manually via the Printful wallet. To learn more about payment processing within Printful, watch our video. I'll leave a link below. This step isn't mandatory, but I'd recommend that you order a sample of your products. Design you see on screen may look a little different than when printed on fabric, so ordering samples will help you make sure that you're satisfied with the final results. Seeing your products in real life will also help you understand if you want to make any corrections to the design. And of course, knowing what your products look like in real life will help make it easier for you to write better product descriptions. Alright, you've got your store, your products, and your payment methods all set up. Now you can start selling. This is where your marketing skills come in. A good marketing strategy will drive customers to your store, so you can think about branding and your social media presence. Learn from others for your inspiration. Have a look at what your favorite stores are doing, figure out what works for them, and if it would work for you too. Experiment. There are lots of good resources on marketing out there. You can explore the Printful Academy course on digital marketing, or head over to our blog and find everything a Printful beginner needs to know. There you have it. Now go have some fun starting your business. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button to get notifications when we post new videos.